Okay, I'm going to go over how to use your Google Hangouts and Meets as a screencasting tool. So here I have a presentation that I could present. I'm now going to go, I'm going to go into my Gmail. I'm going to go into my calendar, and I'm going to create a new event. I'm going to make it right here. No title. Sample screencast with Meet. And I'm not inviting anyone. It's just going to be me. I'm going to hit save. I now have that in there. I'm going to click back on the calendar event. I'm going to edit this event. I'm going to add conferencing, Hangouts Meet, and now I have a meeting link. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. Here I am. I'm in the meeting. Of course, no one else is here. I'm going to X out of my other window. That's okay. I'm in my meeting. So now I'm going to go ahead and join now. And I'm going to expand my window a little bit. And down here I have the option to present now. I also have the 3 bullets. I'm going to select record. I'm going to ask for consent. There's no one else here, so I'm fine with the consent. I'll hit accept. And recording is going to start soon. I am now recording. I'm seeing the record up in the top left of the screen. I'm going to click present, and I'm going to go with my entire screen. And here, when I'm going to say yes, click on this, share, and now I am presenting. So everything that I present on my screen will be part of the video. So I am going to now go into my presentation, talk about my presentation. Let's talk about personalizing multimedia assessment. Here is a graphic. I'm doing a little review for students, talking about this presentation I'd like them to go over in their free time or homework, and I want them to maybe provide a specific report. I'm giving them feedback. I'm all set now. So I've presented this, I've talked about it, and now I'm done. Now just remember that you have more than most screencast tools with Google Meets and Hangouts time to kind of go over things. So you have more than 15 minutes. You have like an hour. So if there's something you really want to go into, you have the capability of using this feature. So now I am going to go back into my meeting here. Stop presenting first. I might have a final message from my students where they see my face. I'm going to go back up here, right here, and this is where the stop recording is. So just remember the stop recording is here, not the top left. That's just kind of the little button that lets you know. It's not even a button. It just lets you know it's recording. And then here you can stop recording. And also you have full screen option. So I'm going to stop recording. It's going to be saved to my Google Drive. And I'm done. So now I have used the Google Hangouts as a way of capturing what was on my entire screen for a presentation. And I've left the call. So then I can X out of here. I'm done. And I'll want to check my Google Drive in a couple moments to see how well it worked.